Naghahanap ka ba ng phone na mabilis mag-charge and it's as quick as a flash pag nag-charge? Lalo ko when you're on the go, nagmamadali ka mag-charge, gusto mo ma-full tank. This is probably one of the phone na pwede ko i-recommend sa inyo that is as quick as a flash. And this is the vivo Y35. Papakita ko sa inyo kung how fast ang fast dito sa phone na ito. Tara, buksan natin. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the vivo Y35 and sinabi ko sa inyo, it's as quick as a flash. And not only that, ang kanyang storage dito sa phone na ito is a 8 gigs of RAM and a 256 gig of storage, which is pretty massive, pretty big, very ample enough para sa akin and definitely para sa iyo din. And itong phone na ito would be retailing at 14,999. I'll be posting all the official link on the description below. Silipin nyo lang. So kita natin ang box ng phone na ito is printed with soy ink. So meaning this is very environmental friendly. And ang color na hawak natin today is the Dawn Gold. So there's a lot of specs na pag-usapan natin. And I'm excited na pakita ko sa inyo itong color na ito, no? Which really captivated my heart. And this is the color. So kita natin na it's gold. No. Madalang ako makahawak dito sa channel ko ng color gold. And probably this is one of them na I think is very catchy ang kanyang color. And pag nailawan siya, makita mo para meron siya mga mga linya-linya dito. But of course, pag tinapat mo sa halogen bulb, mas maganda pa ang kanyang color. And we have the Vivo logo over here. I-tour ko muna kayo dito sa phone na ito before natin tapusin ang unboxing experience. Sa ilalim, meron siya loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, kanyang audio jack. Sa kanyang kanan, meron siyang volume rocker and of course, power button / fingerprint scanner. Sa ibabaw, kanyang SIM tray. And pag binunod mo ang tray, kita natin it's a triple card slot. 2 nano SIM plus isang microSD slot. Remember guys, this is a 4G capable SIM. Remember guys, this is a 4G capable na phone. USB-A to USB-C na charging cable. So tapusin natin ang unboxing experience. Meron siyang kasamang jelly case na feel ko okay naman. Fit na fit para sa kanyang phone. Quick start guide and of course ang kanyang warranty card, SIM ejector tool, and of course ang kanyang 44 watts na flash charger na this would be the difference maker dito sa phone na ito. So ito ang display ni vivo Y35 and I can say na definitely it's a very nice na display, 6.58 inch na FHD plus display and it also has a 2.5D na curvature trendy colors and I can say na well, one of the things na gusto ko sa mga 2.5D is pag nagsiswipe ka sa mga kanto, mas smoother experience mo kaysa yung mga flat ang dulo, medyo mas edgy, mas mahirap. Lalo when you're using gesture, swiping left and right, medyo mahirap, lalo kung sobrang makanto ang iyong phone. But not on this one. Si vivo Y35, okay ang experience. Swiping left and right, ganito lang. Now, one of the selling point na itong phone na ito, si vivo Y35, is mabilis siya mag-charge. So, it has a 5,000 mAh of battery, which is, of course, industry standard. Large ang kanyang battery capacity. But, this one can support up to 44 watts of fast charging. And kasama ng kanyang flash charge na charger sa loob, I was really surprised and dinay natin ang kanyang battery down to roughly mga 15%. Chinarge ko all the way back to 100. And it only takes me around 1 hour and 3 minutes to complete the task, which is definitely ang bilis ng kanyang charging. Of course, alam naman natin, no, mga phones at this price point, normally kasama niya is mga 33 watts of fast charger, 18 watts of fast charger, but this one having a 44 watts does change the game. Eh, hindi lang siya sa fast charge nag-excel. Pati ang kanyang battery na endurance, okay din siya. After asking si PC Mark battery stress test, ang kanyang screen on time, it was able to squeeze out in 18.5 hours na endurance dito sa screen na to. So meaning, 18 hours and a half naka-on ang phone mo, kayang-kaya ni vivo Y35. And I was able to try this phone for around mga 2 weeks. And of course, on daily usage, daily tasks, it was able to last me for more than a day. Kayang-kaya niya without a problem. Of course, that's on normal tasks. Another thing dito sa phone na ito is very generous ang kanyang storage. It has a 256 gig of phone storage and it has a 8 gigs of RAM. And not only 8 gigs of RAM, it even has a 8 gigs na extended RAM. So meaning, sobrang generous tong phone na ito. Meron siyang 16 gigs of RAM na nandito sa loob ng phone na ito, and it's running FunTouch OS and also together with Android 12. And masasabi ko sa inyo, the UI is smooth, and dahil sa kanyang malaking RAM, everything is loading very fast. And it also has the frequently used Snapdragon 680 from Qualcomm. This is a very efficient na chip. Kaya siguro maraming phone gumagamit itong chip na ito dahil sa kanyang capability to perform. And nakakuha pa siya ng near 300,000 points sa Antutu benchmark na version 9.4.3. Of course, quite impressive na siya. And did you know guys, sa itong phone na ito can let you expand up to 1 terabyte na storage sa kanyang expansion slot na micro SD. Of course, it's much needed na expansion if you are very much storage hungry, lalo na if you're the type of person who takes a lot of videos, takes a lot of photos. 256 gig, I can tell you na might not be enough for you. So, if I were you, go buy your expansion storage. Now, sinabi ko naman sa inyo kanina na snappy ang phone na ito when it's opening apps dahil sa kanyang extended na 8 gigs of RAM. So, making 16 gig. So, try lang natin mag-load a couple of apps dito. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kabilis. So, check lang natin si Chrome. Okay, mabilis naman ang reaction niya. Check naman natin ngayon si TikTok. Okay na, bilis naman mag-load. Tingnan naman natin si Lazada. Okay din. Well, apparently, almost lahat naman ng apps na tinry ko dito, mabilis naman mag-load. Wala akong naging problem dito dahil snappy ang pag-open ng mga apps dito. And of course, mabilis ang kanyang scroll left and right thanks to its 90 Hz of screen refresh rate. And of course, tinry ko manood ng ilang videos dito sa phone na ito. And I was able to check kung itong DRM info niya, it was able to give me a security level 1 sa kanyang wideband security, meaning you can watch all of your favorite shows, the Netflix, online streaming apps on HD. And watching some videos dito, it's okay. I can say na hindi siguro mafe-feel mo ang pagka IPS LCD niya. Probably dineploy ni Vivo dito is a high-grade na IPS LCD and giving you that rich experience on this one. Well, almost as good as an AMOLED, but of course, ibang AMOLED. But this one, I can say na hindi siya nagkakalayo sa AMOLED display. And watching videos on YouTube or Netflix is okay. Vivid naman kanyang display, punchy naman kanyang colors. Probably the only thing na medyo hindi ko masyado gusto is dahil... Probably the only thing na medyo hindi ko trip dito is ang kanyang teardrop notch na, well, 2022 na. I hope na sana punch hole lang ginamit nila sana nila dito. And this phone also has a single firing na loudspeaker. But one thing na napansin ko dito is itong sound niya can boost up to 200% ng normal audio. So, itry lang natin dito, magpatugtog lang tayo ng sounds and set natin sa 100% and sa 200%. Pakinggan lang natin kung gaano ka layo, gaano ka improve ang kanang sound quality, ang kanang sound volume dito sa phone na ito. So, i-play lang natin right now at 100%. So right now, i-play natin sa 200%. So, volume up natin. So, makita natin, it's 200%. Yan. Well, probably not yung 100% na boost niya ng times 2, but I can really hear dito sa aking tenga na it has improved yung kanyang loudness ng kanyang speaker. So, good job on that. Now, one of the things to love dito sa phone na ito is very trendy ang kanyang design. What I like about sa mga phones ni Vivo is yung mga design niya talagang pinapaganda nila ng gusto para yung tipong gaganahin ka bitbiting ang iyong phone anytime of the day. So right now, i-tackle naman natin ang camera nito phone na ito. It has a triple camera setup starting with the 50MP na main camera sensor, and it has a large sensor para mas maraming light siya makapture giving more definition sa inyong mga photos. Together with a 2MP na bokeh lens, together with a 2MP na macro lens. And of course, andito ang kanyang LED flash na magtutulong, lalo sa medyo madilim na places. It acts also as a flashlight during emergencies. It also has a 16MP na front-facing camera na can take HD na photos. Taking some outdoor shot, it's not a surprise that it was able to perform. Punchy ang kanyang mga photos and it was able to stand out taking some of these shots. Pagdating naman sa indoor, of course, it's also not a surprise na it was able to take in some really nice photos even though na low light dahil sa kanyang large sensor which can take in more lights. Kaya lumalabas parang maliwanag, very sharp ang mga photos na nakuha kahit low light pa siya. Pati ang kanyang front-facing camera was able to perform taking in some really nice shots. Now, ang kanyang rear camera is stated to have a EIS and I was able to take in some videos dito and I can see na okay ang kanyang video resolution and it was really stable naman even using just my bare hands. Ang kanyang front camera taking some videos, I can say okay din siya. Probably not the best but it can take in some really nice video especially pag still siya. But if you want to have a moving na video camera up front, you might want to use a gimbal para medyo mas stable na lang siya. Ang kanyang rear camera can take in some video na 1080p 60fps. Meanwhile, ang kanyang front camera can take in 1080p 30fps. So right now, subukan natin siya sa gaming, sa Call of Duty. So automatic magte-turn on ang kanyang multi-turbo mode to give you a more better experience when you're playing the game and nilagay natin sa boost mode para mas maganda ang performance definitely dito sa phone na ito. And of course, you can always calibrate, turn on ang mga reject mga calls, and other things dito na ayaw mo nang istorbo when you're playing the game. So ito ang kanyang graphical settings na pwede mo i-set dito sa Call of Duty Mobile. So nakita naman natin dito sa phone na ito, this was able to perform si Y35 even though na Snapdragon 680. Given na meron sa multi-turbo mode na 5.5, it was able to enhance yung gaming experience dahil pinaboost natin ang kanyang performance, giving us a more decent na gaming experience dito sa phone na ito. And I can see na yung touch niya sa screen is also very responsive. So of course, that is very important. Lalo sa playing playing a first-person shooting na game, the response is probably one of the most important thing na kailangan dito sa phone na ito. Now guys, playing with this phone after mga 2 weeks of experience, I can see na it's really good. Dahil sa kanyang performance, good. Dahil sa kanyang design is really trendy. And I like yung kanyang fast charging under roughly an hour or just sakto isang oras tapos ang charging. Lalo sa mga people on the go like me, it's very important na mabilis mag-charge sa aking phone. Lalo when you're roughly nasa 20% if you want to fill the tank up na mabilisan. This one is one of those phones na I can really rely on sa kanyang fast charging. And this phone is currently retailing at $14,999. I'll be posting everything on the description box below. And guys, if you find this review useful, don't forget to share it to your friends, like this video, and of course, subscribe na rin kayo para hindi nyo ma-miss mga other videos na upcoming dito sa aking channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?